Welcome to this quick grounding meditation. This meditation is designed for a quick realignment when we're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or disconnected. Sometimes as we go about our day and life happens around us, we can lose our connection with the self. This is a normal part of being human. Having a practice you can turn to during those moments can help you find a sense of calm and stability when you feel like you have no control. So begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can close your eyes or soften your gaze, whichever feels right for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly rise, and slowly exhale through your mouth, letting your shoulders drop. Inhale deeply again. And as you exhale, feel the tension releasing from your body. Continue breathing slowly and deeply, noticing how the breath feels as it moves in and out of your body. With each exhale, let go of any tightness, stress, or overwhelm. Breathe in calm. Breathe out tension. Bring your attention to your body. Feel the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Your feet on the floor, your back against the chair or the cushion beneath you. Notice how supported you are in this moment and allow yourself to fully relax into that support. With each breath, feel your body getting heavier, more grounded, and connected to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet and the base of your spine, growing deep into the earth. These roots are strong, connecting you to the stability and grounding energy of the earth. With each inhale, feel the strength and support of these roots. With each exhale, release any remaining stress, tension, or racing thoughts back into the earth where they are safely absorbed. Gently bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting at the top of your head. Slowly scan down through your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Release any tension you find there. Move your awareness down through your neck and shoulders, softening and letting go of any tightness. Continue scanning down your arms, chest, belly, hips, legs, and feet. Consciously relaxing and releasing with each breath. Allow your body to become more and more at ease. Now bring your awareness to this moment. Feel the sensation of your breath, the support of the earth beneath you, and the calm that is settling into your body. Remind yourself that you are safe right now. In this moment, there is nothing you need to do except breathe and be present with yourself. As we begin to close, silently or out loud, repeat the following affirmations. I am grounded, safe, and supported. I release what no longer serves me. I am calm, steady, and in control of my mind and body. The earth beneath me holds me steady and strong. Take one final deep breath in, feeling the grounded energy from your roots. Exhale fully, feeling calm and present. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the room. Notice how your body feels and remind yourself that you can return to this grounded state whenever you need it. Thank you for practicing with me, and take this sense of calm and groundedness with you as you move through the rest of your day. Namaste.